I'm cruising Hawaiian style. Check out the surf wagon. And we're starting off with old school Hawaiian cooking at a place called Highway Inn.
Welcome to Hawaiian Highway Inn.
Oh, thank you.
One butterfish.
My favorite with the stew gravy.
You drive 30 minutes out here just to have this.
I drive 45.
Lumi ahi.
Ahi fish with green onions. Excellent, nice and fresh.
What do you think of the coconut custard?
Best in town I've had.
Really?
This is traditional, authentic.
My grandparents started in 1947, had 7 children. Out of the 7 children, 6 worked here.
And Regina Toguchi's dad, Bobby,
Dad, I'm gonna do the wet pipi kaula.
is still in the kitchen.
Hello, combo.
Doing true Hawaiian classics the way his dad did.
Lau lau.
Lau lau is the taro leaf wrapped around a meat.
You can put beef, chicken.
Pork lau lau is traditional.
Okay,
And a piece of butterfish to enhance the flavor. It's delicious.
let's get into this.
We need to salt the pork first. Sea salt we're using.
And this is pork belly, like we make bacon out of.
This is a butterfish.
Why do they call it butterfish?
It's very oily, a lot of fat.
But it does also have a head.
Right.
I would be very scared if that's how it swims around. Okay, so this gets filleted and salted.
This we need to salt about 2 weeks.
Then we chop it up?
We chop it up.
Okay.
And then it's a leaf from the taro plant.
Out of this really does look like you drove over it in your Buick and then threw it in your trunk.
So we take 2 leaves, a bigger one.
2 leaves, the stems go together?
Either way.
See, you have them together. And I have mine over here on Ding Dong Land.
Then we take about 4 pieces of pork,
Just jams it in there.
1 fish.
Wow, it's hard. The bone and everything's still in it?
Yeah, it'll melt.
The bone will melt?
Yeah.
Another leaf?
Just to cover, make it into a ball.
Right.
And then just continue to build the ball.
Hang on, you're wrapping very quickly.
Then we take the tea leaf.
Can you make actual tea with this?
Oh, no, no.
No? Is that translation in Hawaii for dummy?
Then we take the second leaf.
It's like a tamale.
Right. It has become a lost art, how to tie the lau lau,
The lost art of lau lau.
of tying the lau lau.
Oh, latang.
So the tying part is space it using these 2 fingers here through the hole, underneath, and you got it tied.
What do you think? How'd I do?
You're good, nice.
Now we got them made. Now what do we do with them?
We need to cut the stems and we have to steam.
Big steamer. Did you have this made just for this?
Yes.
And then we start to load them in.
And we'll make a circle.
Can't believe they're all gonna fit. That's a lot. And how long is it gonna go in the steamer?
2 hours.
2 hours. So we done?
So we need to open the...
This thing is gonna be hot. Smells like the leaves. Wow, it's gonna be nuts. You get one?
So we'll wrap it for you.
Okay. It's gonna taste better than it looks. You tell me.
It is much, much better.
That's good. The fat really mellows it out. You got a little bit of amount of salt in there. I love it. A little bit of a spinach texture to it. This is more greens than I've had this month. I'm down with the whole thing. Now, what's this stuff here? The poi is served cold?
Yeah.
Looks like pudding.
That's the root of the taro. Try it. You like it.
Here we go. That's funky. It's like yogurt. Between like a Greek yogurt and a regular yogurt, it's got a little bit of sourness to it, but when you have the saltiness of the pork and the herbaceousness of the taro, that combo right there, really good.
Lau lau poi.
Very moist. Still in the leaf. It's perfect.
You know in the movie Forrest Gump, when Bubba talks about shrimp and all the ways you can have it? That's kind of how I feel about poke. I mean, you know, you're talking about the cut-up fish that's seasoned so many different ways. I mean, you can have taco poke, that's octopus, ahi poke, shrimp poke. I mean, the list just goes on. And it's not just about the variations, it's about the freshness. That's why I'm here in Kaneohe, about 11 miles from Honolulu. This is Fresh Catch.
Fireball ahi. Spicy salmon.
Drive all the way from the other side of the island just to get me here.
He eats her about 7 days a week.
We got an ahi katsu.
This is Dom Raiola, plays for the Detroit Lions. Over premium steakhouses across the country, this is your go-to.
This is what I was raised on.
It's purely Hawaiian.
As Hawaiian as Reno Enriquez,
1 smoking Hawaiian plate.
an East Side native whose love for the poke trumped the family business.
They're probably the biggest rubbish company in Hawaii.
Rubbish?
Pick up rubbish. You don't
Trash.
know? Yeah, trash man.
Trading rubbish for fresh fish? Not a bad deal.
I love to make people happy and watch the smile on everybody's faces while they eat my food.
There's smiles all around for the 30 different pokes coming out of the kitchen, including one
Some ahi limo,
made with a fish so big, it's gotta have its own theme music. Holy tuna!
This is a big ahi tuna.
Look at this thing.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this pectoral fin over here. We're just gonna cut right there and I give it one hiya.
Hey, it's a hat.
And we'll take the knife right down the center.
Look at that.
There you go, that's your basic ahi fillet.
Now, what are we gonna do with this?
We're gonna cut it up and make some poke with it, or ahi limu poke.
What does poke translate?
Is cut up small cuts.
Small cuts?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got it chopped up. What is this freaky?
That's our
thing?
kukui nut.
Some what nut?
Kukui nut. Kukui nut is our Hawaii's state tree. After you roast it, it kind of looks like this. A little burn on the outside.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is you just put a rag over it. Right back over a cleaver. Gonna smash it up. And then you just dig out all the meat inside of it. And that's your kukui nut. You don't eat too much of it. It's kind of like a Hawaiian laxative. Now I tell you, huh?
Awesome!
We usually give it a little rough chop course.
All right, so we got the crazy nut.
All right, we got our crazy nut. So now we got our ahi cubes in a bowl. We're gonna season it with some Hawaiian sea salt.
Okay.
Then we got our kukui nut, some Hawaiian chili flakes. It's always good to put your dry ingredients first when you mix it, because if you start putting your wet ingredients, the thing will get stuck. So we're gonna give it a couple good mixes up over here. You don't really wanna over mix it.
Don't want to break the fish up.
Nope. We got our Hawaiian chili pepper water.
Okay.
It's just Hawaiian chili peppers, some Hawaiian salt, and water. Sesame oil, and a couple mixes. Green onion. We got some white onion, or limu, or seaweed. So let's give it a fine chop. Put it in our mixing bowl. Give it a couple good mixes again. And there we go. We got our basic ahi limu right there.
I could sit here and eat this by the bucketful. It's tender, it's fresh. All the ingredients go together well. It's so balanced and so delicate, and so flavorful. You just get the real deal in this, man. I got a lot of poke on this island as well. That's legit. So here I am on the East Coast of Oahu, hence the Jeep. All right, so I'm about 35 minutes away from Waikiki, and I'm surrounded by boats. I'm on a pier. Why? Well, because I hear that there's a place that is doing some real deal Hawaiian food. I mean, we're talking off the hook. And that was pun intended. This is Heiaia, Kea Pier, General Store, and Deli.
2 luau stew, 15.
Fried veggie chef.
It's a little hidden gem.
Kind of a hole-in-the-wall place. Not a whole lot of Waikiki tourists are gonna find it.
Good local food, nice atmosphere right on the water. Can't beat it.
Mishiyaki beef.
Hawaiian-style comfort food with a twist.
Cooked up by an island native locals call Gooch.
Oh, so where's the Gooch?
Gooch, he's crazy.
That's Chef Mark Noguchi, whose passion for cooking led him to the Culinary Institute of America, and whose love for Oahu brought him back home.
All right, let's get back to work.
Now he's putting his own spin on classic Hawaiian dishes, like this plate lunch, delivering both salty and sweet.
I mean, luau stew for Andrew.
What are we making first?
All right, so first today we're gonna make luau stew.
Luau, like a muka, like that. No.
Luau leaf is taro leaf.
Taro,
Yeah.
like taro root?
Exactly. Right now we're gonna take this boneless pork shoulder,
Trimming off the fat?
trim out the fat, and then dice it up for the luau stew.
So the pork's all cubed up.
Yep.
Now we're gonna hit it with,
Kosher salt.
and then we're gonna go to the rondo, brown it off.
Yep.
Okay, now what's next?
Pull the meat out now into a container. Now we add our onions. Add our salt, add just a...
Pull a little moisture out there, sweat these down.
Yes.
All right, now the onions have definitely caramelized.
Yep, we're gonna add a little bit of water to deglaze.
Okay, so now the leaf.
Yes, now the leaf.
The luau leaf from the taro plant.
Correct. Some people like it to spinach. I don't say that, but if there's a...
So this is the Hawaiian collard green.
Nice.
Are these bitter?
No, don't eat it. Because what it is that when it's raw, Colocasia esculenta, that's the name of the taro plant, has these like silica crystals in it that needs to be broken down with heat and moisture and time. So you pick that up and you eat it, and your throat's gonna get all itchy and close up, and then I'm gonna have to provide mouth-to-mouth, and you don't want that.
So now we go in with the pork, sits up on top of the itch your throat taro root leaf.
That's right.
This is gonna cook down. Now what's gonna happen?
Now we're gonna add a little bit more water and
Okay.
kind of let it braise down.
This is the stew?
That's it.
No carrots, no mirepoix, no...
KISS. Keep it simple, stupid.
You think you'll fit in there?
Yeah! A little bit of shoyu.
The shoyu is the Japanese soy sauce, but it's the soy sauce that you use typically in Hawaiian food.
Yes.
All right, how long did this cook?
Slow and low is the way to go, so about 4 to 6 hours.
Dude, it looks like I'm in the wine country. I'm up at Sonoma County for a mud mask.
Where are you?
Not that I've ever had one of those. All right, so we're done.
Yep.
We got some rice?
Yep.
Okay.
Luau stew, there you go.
Ooh, and I got the Hello Kitty chopsticks. Huh? That's what it is? Ha 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 ha. Oh. That's outstanding. Pork's super tender. It's very rich. There's a lot of mouthfeel to it. Creaminess of the luau. Dude, I would drive from the other side. I would drive from Honolulu for this.
Right on, right on.
Dynamite. Seriously? Outstanding.
Right on.
I love this dish. He does a good job of cooking. It's very comfort food.
Gucci's philosophy is you give back to your community as much as you've been given.
Mark knows that Hawaii's an isolated place, so we gotta eat the foods that are grown here.
Like pork from nearby Shinsato Farms, beef from Kuhivi Ranch on the Big Island, and even, get this, seaweed from Gucci's own backyard. How do you get it?
You go out and you just scoop it. If it's by the shoreline, you just grab a net and...
All to make another traditional Hawaiian dish.
I got 2 limu salad.
That's the bomb right there.
Limu salad?
Limu salad, yeah.
Is this limu?
That's limu, seaweed. This is invasive, and this is called gorilla. It encroaches on native habitats. And it just pushes things out, yeah.
So you don't want it to eat it?
Exactly. But it tastes a lot better after you blanch it.
Good.
We got a pot of rolling boiling water.
Okay.
And we gotta make sure it's salted. Drop it in, and so you notice it's a dark color.
Right.
And when we blanch it off for a few seconds, it's gonna turn to a slightly more like greener green.
Like green beans?
Yes.
Wow, so it goes that fast?
Yeah, it goes that fast in seconds.
So this took a little bit of the bitterness out of it, or a little
Correct.
bit of the... We got it all out.
Are we shocking it?
Shock it.
Then we're gonna drain it and let it dry.
Break it down so it's a little bit easy so we're not munching on it like a horse.
And that's it.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna make our vinaigrette.
Okay.
So we got our Hawaiian chili peppers. Are they cute?
They are. Are they hot?
Kicking your, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Put in our Hawaiian chili pepper and garlic, Hawaiian salt, and grind it to a paste.
Is this traditional Hawaiian?
No, this is Japanese. This is suribachi. Okay, once we got our paste, take a little bit of our sherry vinegar.
Sherry vinegar?
Yes, sir. Get it out of the grooves. We're gonna take our limu, our sliced onions.
Little cucumber.
We're gonna add our tomatoes from Whole Farms.
And shoyu?
A little bit of shoyu. And we just mix it up.
Little finishing salt on top.
This is a combination of 3 salts from 3 different islands.
Okay, and that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Bro, it's hard for me to say.
Yeah?
The salad that's made out of the gorilla seaweed that you harvest in your backyard, as funky as it is really good. Fresh, palate cleansing. Can you hear the crunch? I mean, you gotta work through this. Really nice.
There's a burst of salt water in your mouth. A little bit of a bite to it.
Straight out of the water, straight in the back door and on your plate.
If you've been coming to the island of Kauai since the 1970s, you probably heard of this place. Or have a buddy that's worked at this place, or know people that are huge fans of this place. I mean, it's literally an institution on the island. Now, it's changed hands quite a few times, and the current owners have worked here since '95, bought it in 2007. This is the Hanalei Dolphin.
Cajun ahi up with a vegetable kebab.
The Dolphin is a local favorite.
Filet, crab legs. We've celebrated everything in here since we were kids.
Best fresh fish in Hawaii.
And owners Douglas and Beatrice Allen are tripling down when it comes to that straight off the hook catch.
Certain sections of the restaurant never changed, and we added a sushi bar, and we also have our fish market.
And Chef Nephi Takanaka's cooking up what they're reeling in.
Teriyaki ahi grilled with rice.
You should definitely try the teriyaki tuna. It's a house specialty.
They prepare it pink inside, not all the way cooked through.
Just the right amount of teriyaki sauce so you don't lose the flavor of the fish.
All right, Chef, I want to know about the recipe that everybody that has been through this restaurant tells me about this teriyaki sauce.
Yeah, let's do it. Add some oil, a bit of garlic.
A lot of bit of garlic. And this has been the same recipe from when it started that you've learned?
Absolutely, yes,
Got it.
since 1970. Add in the cherry wine, water.
Soy sauce?
Soy sauce, yeah.
You don't want to get those water pitchers mixed up when we're serving the table.
White sugar.
Brown sugar.
White pepper, ginger.
Lots of ginger.
And some green onions.
And how long is this going to cook down for, Chef?
30 minutes.
So we're taking the sushi-grade ahi that we use on the sushi line.
Correct.
And we're going to make this for the teriyaki ahi.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Cut it into about a half-pound portion.
How long is it going to go in the marinade?
6 hours.
I'll have more of that. So you don't want to have too much marinade on it to where you lose the flavor of the tuna.
Yes.
But enough that it works with it.
Absolutely. Onto the grill. Medium rare.
That's as simple and as clean as it comes. Lemon in.
It's a drawn butter. It's salted.
I'm talking about right there. I don't get any teriyaki sauce on the side?
Oh, no.
You're killing me, Smalls.
It's straight with the drawn butter.
When I cut into this, it is perfectly seared. It is literally cold in the center. Exactly how I like it. A little bit of rice to it. And the butter has that little kick of salt.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
A little bit of the fat. That is the way to have it right there, my friend. You weren't lying on that one. I wouldn't have done it.
Glad you like it.
Here's the thing that I'm happiest about. You didn't take that delicious piece of ahi and hammer the marinade all the way through it. Without question, you really get to taste the fish. I can see why this has been on the menu that long. Well done.
Thank you so much.
So I'm here in Lahaina in a strip mall, here to check out a joint. It's Filipino-Asian fusion. I didn't see that one coming. This is Joey's Kitchen.
How are you guys?
Joey's Kitchen is talk of the town.
Order up, pinakbet, chicharon.
We used to say it was our best kept secret, but I'm afraid the secret's out.
Dave, fire garlic shrimp, 2 orders.
The menu's like a Hawaiian-Filipino fusion.
I was born in the Philippines. I came here in 1983. My grandfather came in 1907 to be a barefoot field worker.
Doing sugar canes and pineapples?
Sugar cane.
That's some hard work. When people say, hey, have you been to Joey's Kitchen, what's the claim to fame?
Crispy pata, pig's feet.
I've known restaurants to be known for a lot of things, chef. No one's ever been known for the pig's feet.
Crispy pata is something that you don't see every day.
It's crispy on the outside, it's really juicy on the inside.
Do you buy these by the pound?
By the foot.
This has got part of the shake. I just don't see pig's feet in this form very often.
We got a water going here just to give some funk out of there. We put the garlic, onions.
Palm vinegar?
Palm vinegar.
Look at that one.
Baking powder, just to give tenderize a little bit more.
Okay.
Salt.
Peppercorn?
Fish sauce.
Lemongrass. How long are these gonna go in the water?
4 to 5 hours.
You'll pull out all the impurities.
Put it into a strainer.
To let them kind of congeal.
Dry it in the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes.
Next.
We're doing the sausawan.
Is that a Filipino sauce?
Yes.
I'm already speaking the language.
Very good. Soy sauce, spiced vinegar. They have turmeric, chilies, and stuff like that. Fish sauce, rice wine vinegar, garlic, Hawaiian chilies, green onions.
Hawaiian sea salt. I just have that as a cold soup.
Salty and spicy.
I need more of that in my life. What do we have next, chef?
The kimchi.
Kimchi's not Filipino.
It's not, but you know, you live in Hawaii, everybody eat kimchi.
All right, so we have cabbage.
Salted.
Salt pulls out some moisture.
Rinse with hot water. This is a garlic and onions puree. Kimchi chili powder.
All of it?
All of it.
You're an animal.
Fish sauce.
You own a fish sauce company? And some vinegar. I could start sous chef in here. I could work the 3rd Tuesday of next month.
You're hired.
Okay, I'm in.
Now we let it sit for 3-4 days. To just let it ferment a little bit.
I got a little kick in there, buddy. What's the next step here?
Tinim-tim chilies.
Tinim-tim.
Meaning cooked in vinegar. Oil, garlic, shallots, ginger, shishito peppers.
Big shishito fan.
Water, vinegar.
Wait. Fish sauce.
Oh, yes.
Fresh cracked black pepper and a little sea salt.
It's gonna sit there until all the liquid evaporated. That's the garnish that goes on top.
Ready to fry this pig's foot?
Yes, sir.
That is monster, dude. The shishito's dynamite. That crunch right there, that gigantic chicharron. See, that's the key, drying it out in the oven. There's tons of flavor connected to all those bones. So tender and it's so moist. The dipping sauce I need by the gallon now. That's a game changer. And the kimchi, refreshing that palate, that's the winner bite right there. Look at that. If you're completely jonesing right now at home, you should be.
Order up, crispy pata.